नमामि शारदां देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं नमस्कारकरस्तुम्मि प्रसन्नास्तु स सदा. Students, we are going to start with the part 2 of trigonometry, 10th standard SSC and maths 2 का part है. So for this question, last part we have studied some concept which we have studied already in 9th standard. We are going to study, then we are going to revise that. I told you that first family was sine, cos and tan. Then it was cosec, sec and cot. We are taken theta, theta, theta. And we derive the formula sine theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Then cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. And this into this is equal to 1. Is it right? Sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. And tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Then we had studied formula also. What was that? Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. And cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Now, in first case, we have derived two more formulas from here. Sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta and cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Then cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta and sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Then here the same condition will be there, but these are very important things. This is okay. Instead of tan theta, we are going to use this formula. That will be better. Okay. Then few more formulas we have studied in 9th standard, but they are now we're not going to use it, but we'll write it. It was sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Cos sec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta. Sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta. Then tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. And cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. So, we can remember this formula in this way. Sine, cos and tan, we are going to write the families. Here also, cosec, sec and cot. And we are going to make a face, like these are the cheeks of a monkey, okay? So that's why sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta, cos sec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta, sec theta is equal to cos sec 90 minus theta. Here will be a mouth like 90 minus theta. So tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta and cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Okay, got it? So student, we had studied these formulas. Okay, now one more formula what we have derived last year, it was sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now we'll derive that formula. What is the formula? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That we had studied last year. Again we are going to revise it. For this formula, what I am going to do is, I am going to draw one right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, say triangle ABC, this is theta. Okay, so we have to prove that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. When did we ask the question on this, how to derive it? So for this type of questions, when we are going to derive it, we are going to take the help of Pythagoras theorem. So what you are going to do in triangle, we can write proof in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, measure of angle ABC is equal to 90 degree and angle C is equal to theta. Now, what I can do is AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, that is by Pythagoras theorem. That is by Pythagoras theorem. But I want sine theta. If you see the figure, sine theta, theta is over here, opposite side upon hypotenuse, that is AB upon AC, but it is square, so AB square upon AC square. Here we are having AB square, but नीचे क्या नहीं है? AC square नहीं है. Okay, one more thing is there. Cos theta. What is cos theta? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse, that is BC upon AC. Again cos square theta मतलब BC square upon AC square. BC square है, नीचे क्या नहीं है? AC square नहीं है. So by that way we have to judge by which term we are going to divide. So here we are going to write dividing each term by AC square. Dividing each term by AC square. Therefore, what will happen now? AB square upon AC square plus BC square upon AC square is equal to AC square upon AC square. So, AC square upon AC square is going to get cancelled, and here I will get AB upon AC the whole square and BC upon AC the whole square is equal to 1. But from figure, what I can write, AB upon AC is equal to sine theta and BC upon AC is equal to cos theta. So ultimately, sine theta the whole square plus cos theta the whole square is equal to 1. So we are getting the formula sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You are going to write hence proved. And what we are going to do? We are going to derive two more formulas from here. That is sine square theta plus cos sine square theta is equal to 1 is there. If it gets shifted over, it will become 1 minus cos square theta. Yeah, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. This is the thing. So students, you do one thing. We have derived in 9th standard, we did it. But you are going to do it once again. Just copy down it. Don't copy down this part, I'll tell you. Just copy down this part only. Okay? Please copy down it properly by pausing the video. So which formula we have derived? We have derived sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. इसके दो फॉर्मूला बन गए. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta or cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. Now we are having one more identity of formula. It is actually tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. This is a very important formula. Again, this one is the most important. It is important, but this is most important. Please, we have to be, because we are going to use in many places. So tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Again, for this again, what we are going to do, prove. We are going to draw a right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree. This is theta. Okay, what are you going to write? In triangle ABC, measure of angle ABC is equal to 90 degree and measure of angle C is equal to theta. Therefore, I can say that AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square is by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now we have to be careful while writing this. Tan square theta. Tan theta is nothing but opposite side upon adjacent side. तो tan theta क्या होगा? थीटा के लिए AB upon BC means स्क्वायर के लिए AB square upon BC square. AB square है but upon BC square नहीं है. And what is sec theta? Hypotenuse upon adjacent side, that is AB. AC upon BC means AC square upon BC square. So from where here also we are going to divide by BC square, here also we are going to divide by BC square. What are you going to write? Dividing each term by BC square. So what are we are getting? AB square upon BC square plus BC square upon BC square, AC square upon BC square. So what is happening? BC square get cancelled, and therefore what I can write? AB upon BC the whole square plus 1 is equal to AC upon BC the whole square. But if you see it properly, AB upon BC as from figure, what I can write? AB upon BC is equal to tan theta, and AC upon BC is nothing but sec theta. Therefore, what will happen then? Instead of AB upon BC, what I can write? Tan theta the whole square plus 1 is equal to sec theta the whole square. Therefore, what you are getting? Tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. So here, what I can write? Sec square theta minus tan square theta minus sec square theta minus 1. Yeah, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. But don't do it. It is as it is. You are going to write the formula. I am going to add it over here. What is that? Tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. ये हम लोग ऐसा ही लिखेंगे जब जरूरत पड़ेगा, बट ये फॉर्मूला तुम्हें बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Once again, tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. They have to be in mind. This is one of the important formula. Please copy down it once again properly. Again, it is important. What is that? Third identity is cot square theta, or we can write 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cos sec square theta. वही ऐसे ही याद करो तो बेटर रहेगा. Now again, what you are going to do is proof. We are going to draw a right angle triangle. In right angle triangle ABC, this is theta. So in triangle ABC, measure of angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Angle C is equal to theta. Now, what I can do is AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square is by Pythagoras theorem. Then, now just check it. What is required? Cot. Cot is what? Hypotenuse upon opposite side. That is AC upon AB means AC square upon AB square. और cosec क्या होता है? Oh sorry, I meant distance. Cot is what? Adjacent side upon opposite side. BC upon AB, but BC square upon AB square. And cosec क्या होगा? AC upon AB. Means we are going to divide each term. Dividing each term by AB square. So what you are getting now? AB square upon AB square plus BC square upon AB square and AC square upon AB square. So we are getting, this is getting cancelled and 1 is there. So what is there with you now? 1 plus BC upon AB the whole square is equal to AC upon AB the whole square. But now if you see, from figure, what I can write, BC upon AB. BC upon AB is nothing but tan theta, and AC upon AB is equal to cosec theta. Therefore, what I can write there, 1 plus BC upon AB is cot theta. So, cot theta the whole square is equal to cosec theta the whole square. Therefore, I can write 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. This is the formula. This is one more identity we can say. So 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. It is the last very important formula. And one more formula we can write over here. थोड़ा सा याद रखना उसको. Tan theta into tan 90 minus theta is equal to, but वो ज़्यादा use हम लोग कहीं use नहीं करते. But you should know this is the formula. Otherwise, we have covered all the formulas of 9 standard, including 10 standard. Okay, so these are called as what? Trigonometric. Now, last one is, now we should know there are fixed values of some trigonometric ratios for particular angle. Last year we studied some angles for sine, cos and tan only, but now we are going to study for all the 6 ratios like sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. So we are going to write the table like sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. See once again how we are going to write it, sine, cos, tan. अब ये फैमिली हमारी तरफ से क्या होना चाहिए था, cosec, sec, cot, but हमने उसको actually this is the way you are going to write it trigonometry. Sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec means sine theta, cos theta, then tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Here we can make a table like this. This is theta and these are the ratio, trigonometric ratios. Here we are going to write the angles. अभी वो थोड़ा सा तुम्हें याद रखना पड़ेगा, वो easy है. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. तो कौन से एंगल्स याद रखना है? 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Once again 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 याद रखना पड़ेगा. 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. आप लोग इसको याद करने के लिए एक ट्रिक अप्लाई करोगे. ये सब रेशियोज हमने लिखे, साइन, कॉस, टैन, कॉट, सेक एंड कॉसेक. तो ये खाली ऐसे ही लिखने से अच्छा है हम लोग एक रंगोली ड्रॉ करते हैं क्रॉसिंग वाली. एक छोड़ने के बाद वापस एक रंगोली ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं ऐसी वाली, और यहां भी एक रंगोली ड्रॉ करेंगे. एंड वन मोर थिंग इज दैट हमने एक फॉर्मूला डिराइव किया है. देखो ये tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू साइन अपॉन कॉस, ये भी यहां लिख देते हैं साइन थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा. और वी नो दैट साइन और कॉसेक एक दूसरे के रेसिप्रोकल्स है, वैसे ही कॉस और सेक भी एक दूसरे का रेसिप्रोकल है. तो हमें खाली सेक और कॉस को ही ड्रॉ करना है. वंस अगेन आई रिपीट इट. पहली बात तो कौन से रेशियोज है, कौन से एंगल्स है? 0 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री एंड 90 डिग्री. एंड यहां पे रेशियोज कौन से? साइन, कॉस, टैन, दैट इज आवर फर्स्ट फैमिली. बट सेकेंड फैमिली उल्टा जा रहा है, कॉट, सेक एंड कॉसेक. बट वी हैव डिराइव्ड वन फार्मूला, टैन थीटा इज इक्वल टू साइन थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा, वो मैं लिख रहा हूं. और कॉस और सेक का एक दूसरे के रेसिप्रोकल है, वो लिख रहा हूं. यहां भी वैसे ही होगा, टैन और कॉट आर रेसिप्रोकल्स, but I am going to select only cos and sec. अब कुछ वैल्यूज आपको याद रखनी है. आई थिंक वी ऑल नोज द काउंटिंग फ्रॉम 0 to 4. तो कैसे काउंटिंग करेंगे 0 to 4 को? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first we are going to write the counting from 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We are going to divide each term by 4. So it's a trick. What is that? We are going to write the counting from 0 to 4. We are going to divide each term by 4 and we are going to take the square root of each term. और रेशियोज के स्क्वायर रूट निकालेंगे और जहां पॉसिबल है हम लोग उसको कैंसिल करेंगे. 1 जा 2 जा 1 जा 1 जा. ओके, सो अब इसका फायदा क्या होगा? 0/4 का स्क्वायर रूट इज 0 ओनली. तो साइन 0 इज 0. ये वैल्यू यहां लिख दी हमने. 1 का रूट मुझे मालूम है 1 होता है. 4 का रूट 2 होता है. तो साइन 30 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 1/2. हियर वी नो दैट 1 का रूट इज 1 बट 2 का रूट नहीं निकलता तो 1/√2. तो साइन 45 डिग्री इज 1/√2. गॉट इट नाउ? साइन 60 डिग्री के लिए 3 का कोई रूट नहीं निकलता है, √3, बट 4 का निकलता है तो √3/2. एंड हियर 1 का रूट ही 1 है और इसका भी तो ये आंसर आया. 1/1 मींस व्हाट? 1. या यू कैन राइट 1/1. ओके, वंस अगेन व्हाट आई डिड. देखो मैंने टेबल कैसा बनाया. तो पहले तो ये नंबर एंगल्स याद रखने. कौन से एंगल? 0, 30, 45, 60 एंड 90. While writing the ratio sin, cos, tan, उसके बाद cot, sec and cosec. Is it right? अब 0 डिग्री है तो 0/4 का स्क्वायर रूट इज 0. 1/4 का रूट इज 1/2. 1/√2, √3/2 and 1. Now cos theta. अब जो मैंने रंगोली बनाई है ना, इसका मतलब ये पूरा रिवर्स करके लिखना है. यहाँ क्या लिखा था 1, तो यहां हम लोग लिखेंगे 1. मतलब cos 0 इज 1. ये यहां लिखना है मतलब √3/2. दैट इज cos 30 डिग्री इज √3/2. ये ऐसे आएगा. तो मतलब cos 45 इज 1/√2 ओनली. एंड यहां आएगा 1/2 और ये आएगा 0. तो आई थिंक यू अंडरस्टूड हाउ आई डिड इट. पूरा रिवर्स कर दिया. 1, √3/2, 1/2, 1/2 and 0. Have you understood this? Got it? तो ये आपकी मिली वैल्यू. cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is √3/2, cos 45 is 1/2, cos 60 is 1/2, cos 90 and 90 is 0. After doing that, now we have to find out value of tan theta, means tan 0. तो उसके लिए फॉर्मूला क्या है? साइन अपॉन कॉस. तो साइन अपॉन कॉस 0/1 इज 0 ओनली. तो वैल्यू ऑफ साइन 0, tan 0 इज 0. हियर व्हेन आई डिवाइड इट 1 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो आई विल गेट 1/√3. तो tan 30 डिग्री इज 1/√3. tan 30 डिग्री इज 1/√3. एंड tan 45 के लिए ये सब कैंसिल हो जाएगा. आई गेट 1. तो tan 45 is 1/1 या 1. Here 2 get cancel. I'll get √3/, means what? √3 only. And here 1/0. देखो 0/1 का वैल्यू इज 0, पर 1/0 का वैल्यू निकलता नहीं है. इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं ND. ND means नॉन डिफाइंड. उसकी वैल्यू निकालती नहीं है. ओके, इट इज नॉन डिफाइंड. Got it now? Once again I'll tell you how to do it. Tan theta के लिए फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है. sin upon cos. तो 0/1 is 0. 1/2 2 get cancel. 1 I'll get 1/√3. या 2 get cancel. I'll get 1. 2 get cancel √3 and it is what? Non-defined. While doing cot theta, but ये रंगोली है तो ये सब यहाँ लिखना है. Means first term will be non-defined. और √3, 1, 1/√3 and 0. So once again now just see, cot 0 is non-defined, cot 30 is root 3, cot 45 is 1, cot 60 is 1 upon root 3 and cot 90 is 0. Now I told you that we draw that reciprocal wala relation sec और cos का. तो sec is the reciprocal of cos. Is your cos 0 is 1 only. तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल होगा 1 upon 1 का उल्टा is 1 upon 1 only 1. Here reciprocal of root 3 upon 2 is 2 upon root 3. Reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is root 2 upon 1 and yeah root 2. Here 1 upon 2 का बनेगा 2 और 0 का मतलब 0 upon 1 होता है. It will become non-defined. This is the important thing once again. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. cos 0 क्या है 1 upon 1 है, उल्टा करेंगे तो 1 ही आएगा 1 upon 1. ये रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे तो 2 upon 3, इसका रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे रूट 2 upon 1, इसका रेसिप्रोकल 2 और यहाँ पे 0 का मतलब 0 upon 1 का रेसिप्रोकल होता है 1 upon 0. It is not defined. Again I told you Rangoli is there means non-defined 2 root 2 2 upon root 3 and 1. So student, we have to draw the table in this way. So once again I'll repeat it how I did it. पहले मैंने लिखे सब रेशियो साइन कॉस tan, जैसी फैमिली लिखी थी वैसी फैमिली लिखी, बट सेकंड फैमिली को उल्टा लिखा कॉट सेक और कॉसेक. फिर मुझे एंगल्स याद रखने थे 0 30 45 60 और 90. 0 30 45 60 एंड 90. यहां मुझे रंगोली ड्रॉ करनी थी फर्स्ट और सेकंड के बीच में, थर्ड और फोर्थ के बीच में, फिफ्थ और सिक्स्थ के बीच में. रंगोली का मतलब तुम्हें समझ में आया. tan का फॉर्मूला में अप्लाई करना था sin अपॉन cos और cos और sec का रेसिप्रोकल रिलेशन को निकालना था. फिर मैंने लिखा काउंटिंग किया 0 to 4 तक का काउंटिंग लिखा, हर एक टर्म को 4 से डिवाइड किया, उसका स्क्वायर रूट लिखा और मैंने जहां कैंसिलेशन कर सकता वो कैंसिलेशन किया. तो sin 0 का वैल्यू बन गया 0 या 1 अपॉन 4, इसलिए sin 30 का बन गया 1 अपॉन 2 या 1 का रूट है 1 बट 2 का रूट निकल इसलिए sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. Here we don't know the value of root 3, it becomes root 3 but 4 का रूट है 2, root 3 upon 2. Here 1 का रूट होता है 1. रंगोली के वक्त सब टर्म्स ऐसे लिखने हैं 1 root 3 upon 2 1 upon 2 1 upon 2 है 0. और tan 0 के वक्त क्या करना है आपको sin upon cos लिखना है. sin upon cos का मतलब 0 upon 1 is 0. या 2 to get cancel 1 upon root 3, 2 to get cancel 1 is the root 2 to get cancel 1, 2 to get cancel is root 3 and here it will become 1 upon 0 का मतलब होता है non-defined. But रंगोली का मतलब वापस non-defined root 3 1 upon root 3 and 0. sec का मतलब क्या होगा, sec is a reciprocal of cos, so 1 this इसका 1 upon root 3 का root 2 1 upon 2 का 2 and it is non-defined. And sec cosec is a reciprocal of 3. पूरा रंगोली का मतलब non-defined 2 root 2 2 upon 3 and 1. So student, this is a very important formula. I can say that at the time of board examination हम लोग ये formulas last पेज से पेंसिल से लिख सकते हैं. Just to remind, पूरे बाहर रट्टा मारने की जरूरत नहीं है. But this is a trick. This is a very important thing. Now what you are going to do, you are going to write this table. I can say that write the entire thing what I have written on the board including this table, but this table you are going to write 10 times. बिना देखे 10 times आप लोग practice करोगे. तो these are the only formulas in trigonometry and these are the values you are going to use for to solve the numericals word problems है. उसमें ये values बहुत काम आएगी, but ये formulas हमें प्रूव करने के काम आएंगे. तो every except this part is not there in our SSC board but it is there. It was there in 9th standard. That's why I have written. तो हमें इंपॉर्टेंट किसको देना है, ये टेबल लास्ट और ये टेबल. उतना ही फॉर्मूला से ज्यादा कुछ करने का नहीं है. उतना करके हमें ट्रिग्नोमेट्री अपना बहुत इजीली हो जाएगा. सो आई हैव गिवन 2 parts, फर्स्ट पार्ट एंड सेकंड पार्ट, जस्ट टू डिराइव द फॉर्मूलाज, हाउ टू बाय द फॉर्मूलाज या किस तरह से फॉर्मूलाज को इजी करना है. तो ये 2 पार्ट्स हमने इसलिए किए कि आपको एक बार मालूम पड़े कि कितने फॉर्मूलाज है और कैसे हमें उसको याद रखना है. ओके, तो स्टूडेंट प्लीज राइट इट प्रॉपरली, पॉज द वीडियो, पूरा देखो, पूरा लिखो और Now we are going to stop it here for the part 2 of trigonometry. Thank you, students.